And it goes a little something like
Hi guys, and thank you so much for joining. If you're new to my channel, please don't forget to hit that subscription button, hit the notification bell beside the subscription button to know whenever I upload. Like this video, comment below, good vibes only, share to your friends and family. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for your support, and I'm so happy that you are enjoying my channel. So let's get into it. Guys, today is another hair review video. Company called Unice, which I've worked before with and I love working with, has reached out to me again, and they sent me a beautiful hair as usual. So this is the packaging of the hair, which is super duper cute. I really love it. So it says Unice hair, Unice, a natural extension of you. So it's a purple bag. Normally I receive it in boxes, so this is different and cute at the same time. I love the box and I love this too, the bags, because you can keep the bags and keep your hair in it after, you know, retain that beauty. So the hair that I got is a 13x4 lace front jerry curl, you may hear. It is Brazilian Remy hair. They say it's pre-plucked and it has baby hair. It's 150 density and 14 inches long. So let's open this bag. So happy as usual to open this bag. All right, so first then let's see what's in here. I feel some goodies and I love to feel goodies. So we got, a cute little bag that says Unice, like these little sachet bags that say Unice on it, which is very cute. I love how they just label your stuff. It looks so professional and like a gift. So what's in this bag? I'm gonna have a use for this bag, guys. So it's a headband. It's a wig cap, which I definitely need and everybody needs when they're doing their wig. Very important. Oh, I got a nice comb. Oh my gosh. Those little tail combs with the iron. It's pretty cute. I got, okay, Unice, I see you giving me beautiful jewelry. These are some fashion earrings, which I love and I can't wait to try on. They're pretty cute. Yes, so that's nice. That's like 3 goodies so far. And we have one more goodies, which is a lash, and these lashes are a natural. They also label it saying Unice eyelash. So I guess they sell Unice eyelash now. They have their branded eyelash. So instruction on the back on how to put it on. This is professional, guys. Here is the hair. Oh, perfectly packaged. I don't think there's any information on this area. They didn't put any info, but it's okay. We know the info. So let me take this hair out. Oh, yeah. I didn't even take it out good enough. I'm in love, guys. This is the first time I took it out and look at it. Like I just had it and I was busy, so it's definitely okay. So we get these stuff to take out. This is definitely a pre-plucked hair. Let me take this off. Before I take this off, let me show you that how it's plucked perfectly, and it has that baby hair already made. Like, this is gonna be bomb. This is gonna be bomb. I would definitely get this hair in like a 20 inch or something, or 22 inch. This same exact hair with the baby hair. I might end up buying it. I'm really loving it. Like, I've never really gotten a hair that is so perfectly plucked, and the lace is legit so scalp like. and then the baby hair are just set right there. It's amazing. I really love it. I'm shocked again. Unice, you've done it again. Comes all the way ear to ear, and in here is and then it has a little piece. It has 1, 2, 3 combs and adjustable straps. So 3 combs, adjustable straps. The hair texture and the color. I'm sorry, I'm gushing. I gotta look at it. Oh wow. Is this funny? I really love it. Look at the highlights. Oh, the highlights are so freaking pretty, guys. And this is another 10 out of 10 for me fave hair. Like, look at that. Look at the curls. Look at the curl pattern. The curl pattern is beautiful. The highlights are just right. Okay, yeah. Guys, we gotta get this wig on my head right now. how I styled the hair and everything. I did a little different styling today. I don't know what you guys think about it, but let's just zoom in on this slow-mo style. So guys, I am loving this hair so much. So far, the only amount of shedding that came out of this hair, and it's not shedding, it's like hair that just came out because, you know, I had to cut a little piece at the ear. I trimmed it up and stuff to make my baby hair. I like it. There was baby hair already, so you don't need to really do that, but I did it because I wanted to add more hair to give this specific look. So this is all the hair that I got, along with, you know, just brushing out the hair that I cut off and whatever. So this is all I got, and I have no more sheddings after that. What can I say? The hair is soft, the hair texture is beautiful. The curls, like the curls are so pretty. You just put a little water on it, it curls up. But I did use the Eco Styling Gel Curly Wave. So it's a repair, condition, defines, moisturize, and smoothens and shine gel, which I use this on my natural hair. It doesn't flake, it does not break my hair, so I'm pretty sure it's good for this hair as well. I also use a little bit of my mousse just to lay down there, and I didn't use anything else, like water. That's it, the Eco water and the mousse, a little bit of mousse, and no, got to be nothing other than the lace glue and stuff, you know. This hair is it. If you want a hair that looks like your scalp, it's grown out of it, and you don't want it too long either, like just right for you to look cute and feel comfortable for the summer. Hot gal for the summer, this is the hair, honey. Yes, you got hair on your head. It's not too hot, it's breathable, and it looks like it's going from your scalp. Lace wear. Okay, I'm just being extra now. So guys, I do hope that you like this hair. This hair is definitely 100% for me. 100 out of 100, 10 out of 10. I am loving the hair so much. I always say this is my favorite hair, but this is one of my favorite hairs. Again, Unice, you have done it again. You never fail to amaze me with your hair, and I am very thankful that I got the opportunity to review this beautiful unit. So guys, the link to this hair will be in the description below, so you go ahead and check it out. I do hope that you enjoyed this video of me being goofy, enjoying installing this hair, because I'm so excited. Please go ahead and don't forget to like the video, comment below, and subscribe if you have not yet. Hit the notification bell so you can know whenever I upload, guys, so YouTube will just notify you so you don't miss out. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next one. Bye.